Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We are the Jamaica Young Police channel. We do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video. Yeah, so this is gonna be part two. Part two. We're talking about name brand police officer with a Jamaican. Yeah, this man, he used to spar with Oni, Carlos, and them, and Rifle and the likes. Yeah, he used to. So him know Oni, him come from Cockburn Pen, and in a long run, you're going to hear, it's two there. You understand? You're going to hear about, as we told you before in a part one, the real name brand police officer, Tom Levine. Yeah, man, Tom Levine is the man who start liquid dirty boy, them and them thing from the 70s. And Tom Levine is still alive, and we pray for long health for him. We saw him, a few months ago. We saw him over 2 months ago, and him thing there on funeral. Them man then a play, man. Yeah, so we give thanks that we meet him in person, work with him. Tom Levine is our idol. Tom Levine is why we, from where a little boy, from where 4, we say we want to be police. Yeah, that's the way, everything about the man. So I want you to listen to this conversation we have with this brother. Yeah, you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Gilroy Allison.
Oh, you talk on police, brother?
Gray, yeah.
Him a thief, man. Him a labor right.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Him come from Fletcher's land.
Nah, man. Come from Marvally. Big, thick, grey boy.
Yeah, man. But him have some connection at Fletcher's land. But him a labor right.
Marvally originally from.
Oh. Me say him sick bad,
Who that?
Gilroy.
I lie. When dead? The America?
Nah, man. Him da Portmore in a bed, man. Him can't. Them say he must have some. I don't remember how it. Cause him and do this, them use the power,
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Them man they are criminal, Them man they are not police, He use the power. He use the power with do this, them and them thing.
Listen. In power with where the wind blow.
Yeah, but
the power with how them and matches there.
So them kind of police, them kind of police are them dangerous, Cause them not loyalty to the Jamaican people. They don't have loyalty to money, so they not take nothing for them sell you out.
Yeah.
But them police are dangerous, Cause them set up other police make people kill them too. Man, that's criminal, man. Do the send all them man, they got a man to go be go rob people coke, man. Him have one next one named Bud Spencer, Bud Spencer dead.
Yeah.
And I saw them put him back in a uniform. Make no mistake, no boy couldn't get me if you go do no boy, no man me not done enough, friend. Me and a man will talk on them things, but me and a boy not no secret for me about me got thief or you know what I'm saying? The only thing me any criminal supposed to attack, him supposed to give me some information about one of them rival or one of them crony and them thing there. But me and him not supposed to be on the same page. You understand?
Yeah. So you know Derek Knight too?
So me and him used to work, man. The cowboy a thief. Yeah, me tell
You
you
say my
something.
thief?
You know, hear me say, me and the man used to work, man. Me and him used to dep on team. You can't tell him say me say sir.
Oh boy, man.
But me I tell you say my thief. And him and the one named Ox.
Okay today.
Who?
Okana.
Me say two of them a thief, man. I two of them make me left for work on them thing there.
And then make you left the work?
Yeah, man. Two of them.
You know, I told them my thief for you, man.
But me better off still. The best thing that me do for me and them thing there. That's why me not even mash him up, you know. I want to tell you, say, I'm a mother, I'll save all him and him thing there. Because me not go for the Geographic, for mash him up, but me mash up Ox still, because him never really, me and him not have nothing, you know. I follow and them thing and get himself wind up in that thing, you know. Because me and him not nothing, you know. And him know, say, the thing with me and Ox, with Ox and them thing there, it has some girl feelings, him a care. But look how Ox ugly and them thing there. You can't compete yourself with me and them thing there, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Ox, I work no more.
Yeah, man, I'm retired, man. I'm my mother why me no mash up cowboy, that's why I'm there. But me make sure we mash up Ox, cause him start it, you know. A dog that, man. A tooth boy, you understand. But you don't know, I just saw it going and thing there. And cowboy, I want my uncle. That one of my uncle, my uncle have a friend, and him and the man a friend and them thing there. But me I tell my uncle,
cowboy still in a job?
no, man, him that Staten Island, man. Him did all at Florida the other day and them thing there, and one boy was implant some gunshot on a Montego Bay. I mean, I'll tell all the man, you know. Catch, you understand? The boy knows part him there, and I tell her, and the boy say, man, I kill him and them thing there. One implant gunshot on the boy at Montego Bay. And the boy knows part of me, and the boy say, man, I kill him, and some man make me know, and I tell a man to tell him. I'll do it my dog still, you know. Me and him used to work, you know. But me are the only man who stand up to them. I'm afraid of none of them. I'll Ox me run them like dog, and them are thief. Two of them are two thief. Them man and all the loyalty, you know, man.
Yeah, we know them are thief, man. You know Alice not thief too.
But all the police here me talk a pay thief them, man. A very few police where a name brand police where go out there and them not thief. Most when me that honest be on them thing there, and at them time me know say me supposed to a thief. A man I tell me say, boy, man I say, oh you bad police. When Ox just come and say, oh, you bad police, say you're not thief. I say, I can't answer my father grow me. I don't raise that way there. Sure, man,
so you know Denzel too?
I mean, man, Denzel. Denzel boy in my family, man. If you look on Denzel and look on my father, you see the resemblance right there.
Yeah.
So that's
I want to name Fabs. You know Fabs? You did it when Fabs did it?
At Huntsby?
Yeah.
Oh, you thought the one that will get locked up for your coke and them thing there?
Yeah, a short one, yeah.
Me say him that load as well. Me don't know him still, but me hear about him and them thing. Him the thief.
You know him the way?
Him that one place named Load as well as St. Catherine.
Yeah, me live in Independence City.
Yeah, thief them, man. Them can't help them. Thief can't help themselves, you know. Hey, you know, I tell us, I show you how thieves stay and them thing. The man I work at here Jamaica, I'm a big engineer, but I'm a thief. And the man in 1994, the man thief a plane tire from here Jamaica. And police stop him. And him don't know what I'm going to do with the tire. Him not have no plane, but him just thief and thief a plane tire. At 4 years, judge give him a prison. Man have him big masters, an engineer, you know, but him just thief.
Yeah, him can't help himself.
Him not a plane, and him just thief a tire because him just thief.
Yeah, him that kleptomania.
Yeah, him just want the tire as a trophy. I don't know how some man does do it, and them, you see the big man and them thing in a coat, and the judge said, no man, something wrong with him, man. What are you going to do with the tire?
You know a police named Christy Trenchtown?
No, I don't know him.
Before your time, then.
Oh, you remember Tom Levine, though?
I mean, Levine.
You know, say
Bevan Simpson, Tom Levine,
hey,
and
you know, say Bevan Simpson dead, though?
I lie.
Yeah, man. One brother up in New York called me and tell me say him dead.
Bevan Simpson.
Him say him dead, sir. Bevan Simpson dead. And you know Ivan O. Thompson?
Yeah, I know all of them, man. And a man killed when him at Tony with up our Redlands Road.
Yeah, man. One boy named Pastor from Woodfield Town. But him dead, you know. I the same boy kill Denzabide. And you know, say a police line up our Denzabide killing too.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Same police, yeah. Clansman police, you know.
Yeah.
That's why I mean, like criminal police, you know.
Yeah. Most of the man them are criminal. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I know all that time, but look one time.
Pusey. You know Pusey too?
Yeah, man. I used to work too. The whole of them are thief and them thing there, you know them. You understand? But let me tell you still, the man of me when me rate on them thing there. Cause when man attack on them thing, when you talk about bad police, you have to talk about. Cause you know say Tom Levine are the original bad police too, you know that?
Of course, yeah, I mean to tell you.
I tell man, at them the man you know say all we are going on them thing there, and when, you know some man in a talk about, well, in a length time, you know, that is totally different. But before Leng come on Admiral Town, him used to clean up the place from Rima jungle, you know though.
Don't forget Trinity.
Yeah, man, Trinity. Remember say Trinity them come after, man.
Yeah.
He was the man in a man, Tom Levine, you know. He's the man they go and lick down boy in a man. Sweet boy Tom Levine, you know. Yeah, man.
I really talk, man.
Them the man.
More Tom Levine and Devon Simpson. Them man that was the wicked man.
Yeah, man, and Ivan O. Thompson.
And yeah.
But you know say a George Bank make Tom Levine get transferred though.
Yeah.
From Admiral to Tom Levine say man kill him, man, cause him get trouble, and yeah, man. When monkey man beat him, in a man. You understand? Cause Tom never did dead on them thing there, cause them they carry him at jail and beat him. And you know so from Tom Levine say him a go kill you know, so you dead, you go dead, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And I saw Michael them transfer him and send him a Hunsby. I saw make him still alive, you know, man. You know that boy. And a man sit Tom Levine like in can't mash and see, man. And them man me want to be police, you know, man. A little boy at Jonestown, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Sweet boy and them thing and him bad. So you know when man talk about bad police and them the man there, but you know only most people not gonna really know about them man there unless them come from town, you know, in a jungle.
Yeah, man, Tom Levine more and Simpson man, I was the tree that man.
Yeah, man.
I lead the crew, man.
Yeah, man, Tom Levine. And him talk with him like a soft voice. Him not talk, and him not the man that he cuss bad word. And the man that cool, you know, man. Tom. The man that come on and left a message and say, boy, hey, look, you know, you tell a boy, say him for come to the station. Don't make me reach back to the station before a minute. Yeah?
Sure, just come show up at the station.
Yeah, man. Him said, tell him, say, don't make me reach back at the station before me. You know that, you know, a beer. I said, Lord, I'm going to kill him. And, you know, the police are now still doing it. You know, the detective again in Jamaica, you know, a uniform police, you know, detective in the office now, you know, him go work like him a bank teller, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. The PMP, they mash up that, man. Them not, you know, because I say a detective I want to know a criminal, them and mash them up, you know. So that's why you see him uniform. You know, see uniform police, them, all around a Cockburn Pen, police, a Solitaire Road and Mao Drive. In a police uniform and him a smoke Guinness and a drink Guinness and a smoke weed with him foot pan light post and him and gunman there and them a knock fist. You wanna see a detective I do that. And that them do that, they mash up the police force and bring it down so, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Tom Levine, man. Them man they are legend, man. Them man they come and left a message and say, tell your boy say, don't make me reach back at the station before him, you know. Or him spit and said, don't make my spit dry up when him no reach there. Hey, boy, I had them tell you, no telephone. Oh, man, get all of the message there. I went to reach Admiral, you know, that the man they sit down out there, Mr. Tom. I tell you, them kind of, you know, see the people them now, them not no respect for police and them thing, them man. Me not say, you know, them.
The police them are thief. Most of the police them are thief.
Well, you have good police down there still.
That's what most of them are thief too.
Well, still, look here. You can't, me blame them, but you have to blame the system. Because I remember saying, you know, the police them come from the same society where all of we come from, you know. You understand? Because remember saying alright, remember saying when we are growing them thing there, you know, if a man is a thief, you know, say him go to jail. When him come back, nobody not talk to him. Remember say after a while that normalize, you know, and make that the man they become hero in the community down. The man who a thief and the man who commit crime. You understand? Because they use this song, they use music and normalize it and them thing there. So you see him, and then now the same youth them now where them live in a community, them see same bad police and the thiefing boy, them a friend and them thing there. So when them become police, them see something normal, so them come and do it and follow it.
Sure.
You understand? Because when all the youth now grow a while now, and them see cowboy there with what this boy there with this boy up a while, sister. Where cowboy brother-in-law name again?
We are talking about Claudia Show.
No man, Claudia Show dead long from in the 90s, man. Me are talking Scandal, in brother-in-law when him Scandal come from Philly. And I would say the big police live in a Tower. Which police you know can live in a Tower? You know in the police where can live in a Tower where if you born and grow there and live there and nobody not doing nothing.
Let's say, you mean live at Tower?
What you mean if a man, you know him say man? The man there with Scandal sister and him live at a while for years and nobody not do nothing and him there all over Waterhouse everywhere and still at work same here. Remember say a peer gun there at a while, you know?
Yeah.
You understand? We in the ordinary police, so you know so what? Then when a youth now will come from in the community there and be and join the police work. You know see nothing wrong for him there with a Dan sister and them thing there. And you understand? So him a go look out for you Dan and the Dan sister. And them man they get promotion while him live at a while. You understand? Remember say you don't know say you know once it touch 6 o'clock you know say from 3 miles if you go anywhere for Olympic way you know. And you know say that's a war zone it become
a danger zone man, a true man, even now. Yeah.
You understand? And him live there so all them things. So what kind of police that tell you about him? You understand? But them go protect, them go love the criminal them where them can't get things from. So them a criminal. You understand? Like me, you know all them things there. Me were born and grow, I get to all them things there. You would never catch me sleep at them place there in the night. You mad? From I left jungle, I think go back, me never sleep there one night. You understand? And them man, they are countryman and them thing there. Them mash up people, as just like what you say, they are country police them, you know. Them come at town and mash up the police force, you know. Them are criminal, you know. The country police them, you know. Most of the man them where you attack, where you thief at a country them come from, you know. Because them not used to nothing, you know. And you will come from me get to all them thing there, you would think say you not suffer. Them not suffer more because when them come at town, them thief, you know, man. You know, you know, police and them thing they will come from country and them thing there. Man say, boy, say them use to thief all the gas out of a vehicle. Police them all thief. Police thief all tire off a car, off a police vehicle them and put all the police vehicle on 4 block.
That's not easy, man.
The man them not grow up and see it, man. So we expect when them join the police force. And like a man like me, you know, and them thing there. And them see man, you know. Me, my Kingston, you know. You know, so them see man, you know, and say, oh, you see him, you stay far from him, you know, because I'm an informer, you know. Oh, you're police and you tell the next police you're police or informer. Because me, say me not like thief in police. But yet still when time gunshot a fire and a shoot out, you're glad then you see me and them thing there. Because you know it's a different thing from me come. But you don't like me. Because just because I say me not like thief in police. You don't think, so boy, that would be something good in our police force, don't it?
Yeah.
Alright, so you know nothing good that, man. You're mad. You get marked, man. You know, man mark you. And say, boy, you're informer police. You have to be thief, man tell me that, say, oh, you have to be bad police. You have 2 police right now on Unspace still, you know, when me work with them, I can't tell you say the man a thief, you know. One of them Gunter, detective inspector, Gunter I'm a junior man, And the brother were a crime chief when he and Wade. Them the man they are not thief. You understand? The police force is different now, man. You know. A man has said to me yesterday, say, boy, if he say to come back and them thing there. Me not, if he come back, next 2 generations, you have to use, the mind of the people them have to change. And you have to use through education. Because remember, you know, I see him culture and them thing there. That's why all the women in Jamaica would have all 5 man now and them thing there, and the mother know, you know. Remember same time we are grow them thing they couldn't go on, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
Well, I tell you, man, I just different thing, man. Everything changed. Woman, I remember, man, years ago on them thing when a man send me a picture, send me a video of some woman a go and dance a jungle. The man from jungle got. I say, I pay upon to the woman them have on, you know.
I saw it up till now.
I say, wait. Really? And you say, remember me a youth and them thing there. You will see a woman when you live in a tenement, yeah, them come out in them slip and you understand what I'm saying, but the only thing you can see are them chests. You understand? Why? Yeah. That's different now, man. And mother and daughter, they were the same man and a regular thing that.
Actually, I thought.
So you know deal with Breeze them and them thing there?
No, not really, you know.
I mean, no, there's no word on him, no really, man. No really means they're in between. Is either yes or no?
No, I'm not deal with them.
So when you go to Jamaica and them thing there, you know go to Pendo?
A long time I go to Jamaica. Anytime I go to Jamaica, I have to go to Pendo.
Why, hey, you can't well, you have to be careful when you go down on them thing there. Because you can't even wear jewelry go down there and them thing there.
In a pen?
You can't wear no jewelry and them thing there, man. Man, I kill you for that, man.
Yeah.
That's different. And like one time on them thing there, you know, like, them youth don't take no talk for nobody, you know. You see, like how in a phone days, like only them and them thing there, the man them used to have certain, you know, discipline. You understand? Remember, say man them used to have code of conduct in a criminal world, you know. A man know say you don't, you know, kill woman, you know, kill pitney, you know, kill the man family and them thing there. Me tell all the man say, hey, look, remember me I grow on them thing there. That man there, you know, might him kill all the man, the woman, the son, and him see the woman, and him heal her. She might not answer him and them thing there, but everybody knows that him kill her son and them thing there. And him no want kill the woman, the man mother and them thing there. You understand? No. You know, the boy them said no. Anything, a man and a man, if them can't catch them, kill somebody for a different. They are not criminal in a man. They are terrorists them in a man with Satan genes, you know.
Satan genes, it's true, man.
Yeah, man. Our man, where you kill all a man mother. Remember back then and them thing there, woman, pitney. Man, all kill all pitney, you know.
And you have no thought about it.
So you one video I do this week where the boy laugh. The boy did shoot off one brother me used to work with me in Ludlow Mart. I them man that got Spanish Town and get Renita Adams in name, you know. Make him get big, you know. Because me and him used to work at one speed. You
think Renita Adams are good police?
Renita Adams are criminal, man. Corrupt police. Renita Adams are more PMP than PJ, than Michael Manley. Anytime you ask police and them thing there, a country you come from too, you know. Anytime you ask police and them thing there, you start fight politics and you do things. Anytime them have this thing, what's in it for me? You know, so them corrupt. Them not do.
So it's about Bigger Ford, him corrupt too.
Them Bigger Ford no thief, man. But he might kind of thief still on them thing there, where him not try to kill the next thief, you know. You understand? That I think with him. Me and Bigger Ford, me and him cool still, you understand? But him a thief too, man. Them Bigger Ford are the biggest thief, man. But when I last still do, in I last him, you know, him did kinda start a lock up police thief, you know, and a whole heap of man start lick out on him, you know.
Yeah.
Him up at Brentford Road every day. Every day in the Brentford Road. But you know, say must bring this though, you know though.
Yeah, man. I know my mother and father go to school together. Yeah. We got Kingston Senior.
Yeah, man. But you know, say my brigadier though, Michael Manley sent him an ox and them thing they got train, got Port Royal, you know though. Yeah, man, the man in a brigadier man. You did have a twin brother in a Badman, you didn't do that?
When I say my family know him whole family.
He was him brother in a Badman, man, and the next I see him Badman, them kill him.
Kill it, yeah, man.
You didn't know him brother too?
Yeah, we know him, but he might be older youth for me, so I not really.
But them are twin.
Yeah.
What him did name?
I don't remember him brother name.
But
I know say my auntie them come, my auntie and them grow and them thing, my father and them and my uncle them grow with them. Him come from Anatown, you know.
I know, man, I know.
Then, you know, I tell you, my auntie, my mother, and my mother's friend.
Hey, the man,
like that.
Hey, the man, I know, so from 86 him can't come to America though. You know, so them take him visa a long time.
Alive. Oh, that's when.
Yeah, man, you never know that. Yeah, man, them take a big, they must a bigger food, it come up in a 86, man. Him as a perennial charge and say, you know, it's so like funny, although the man, they have big PMP still doing a big, as we say them thing there. The man, them not a loyalty when they come on to you. Anyway, the money there, you know. So although the man, they have PMP, you know, them have whole heap of labor right friend, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Then remember saying him the guy jail, man. The Joe Williams and Perennial Charles came back at Jamaica, man. Then they lock him up with 3 boys for upper grand spending one car at Miami Gardens. And yeah, them time they say I got a prime minister. So you know, say fair Siaga and him and they get involved and him never got jail. Him got jail and them just send him back. From that he can't travel, man. You never do so bigger for none of him. Them take him visa from them time, man. All the brother, you know, say all the police on here, Ratcliffe Lewis, the one with the big mustache. He a big labor right now. He must big labor right now.
Yeah.
They don't know say all him not no visa either, from in the 80s.
Oh, so from 80s, bigger for no visa?
Yeah, man. Bigger for than Ratcliffe Lewis, all the brother with the remember the brother where him used to that traffic and him say, boy, him not stop until God come and them thing there. You know that brother there?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Him not no visa, man. Him used to bodyguard Errol Anderson, you know, the minister, you know, the labor right minister.
Errol Anderson, yeah.
Yeah, man. And him did that. Them time when I got clarinet and them thing they hear about the man. Yeah, man, the man did have Vernon female and a load of ganja plane and in police uniform, you know. Yeah, man, I ride off on the plane, nearly kill all 2 DEA agents, you know. Yeah, man. Him can't, from them time, the man they can't go to America, man. The man and the team try to left Jamaica because I'm afraid they might go on country and they lock him up, you know.
That's a long bigger for 83.
Yeah, man, from them time, man. A perennial, so you never know that?
No, because my mama, last time my mother so tight.
No, man, bigger food can't travel, man. Bigger food not even renewing visa from them time there. Cause Trinity did up here the other day, about 3 weeks ago. Trinity did the America. Time pitting kids. Yeah, man. Remember say all I'm pitting them when my wife have up here them born, you know. So yeah. Trinity did up here the other day and them thing there.
Princess.
Yeah, boy, hey, she did. I know, she did turb. She used to go like man, still doing it, man, with a gun pan her, you know, man.
My brother and sister, Rat. Joseph.
But them, so she have 2 pitney before she have pitney for Trinity do.
Yeah, man.
And I pay bad. Boy, all him end up with all them the girl there and them thing there.
And him that get the good girl them, I tell you.
The good bad girl them.
Yeah.
And can right now, you know, say a 10 pitney them same have, you know.
Yeah.
10 pitney them same have, man. But you know, so all them man, let me tell you, man, all them man the Irene, I never work with him, you know, yeah, but me that once be used to that after he beat the murder case up for my wife and you understand. And them man, hey, them the man, you say, hey, I tell you all a while, you know, man. Hey, Trinity, you know, all the man them are running, you know, man. Trinity have money, I take the man them picture, you know, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. What Cockburn from the Waterhouse, man? I tell you, man. And he used to find all heap in the place still though, you know, man. One shot, one kill, you know, man.
Yeah.
Well, my still though, but so everything good otherwise though.
Yeah, we just say, you know, like we just say one day at a time. That's all we can do it, you know, try to live good and that's it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think it'll come back still though, nothing now, you know. You have to have a man like a Siaga, a man put on him for, and that's why he did lose the election yet, you know. Because Jamaica ain't come back, you know that though.
Yeah.
I remember one in time when Siaga did send Trinity and Tony with them, and them come and Tom Levine. When them come and lit down the eight man them were Starkey and the whole of them. You know, so from that a whole heap of man start run with the way, you know though.
Yep, I know that. When them kill Starkey and him brother.
Yeah, man. And Willie got kicked them out, man, and the twin. Only him alone did survive him and he come out.
Yep.
A whole heap of man run them, man. Boy. But if him never did kill Tony with cousin, him never did know that. That's why Tony Wells them killed two of the man them right there. See the Saturday, man.
Okay.
You understand? But boy,
so, right after election.
No man, 81. Remember say election was 81.
81 man.
Yeah.
And go clean them up, man.
Yeah, man. Election was 80 November
80,
and June
November.
And June 1st, man, on Monday, man. Yeah, man. Cause I remember say him did kill Tony with cousin, you know, the woman at a betting shop. Cause 3 months for the woman daughter. Cause you know say Tony with them red, you know, them are brown people with pretty hair and them thing there. So you know say her daughter pretty. Boy, man.
Single man.
Yeah, man. The man in a rapist, hey, yo, me never like them boy, they still, me don't like no man a rape man, you know.
Me don't like raper neither.
Yeah, man.
Boy, I'm not only for raper.
I only hate them, you know, man.
Yeah. We don't like raper for sure, man.
So I'm to Spurline, you talk to him?
A long time I talk to Spurline, you know. Yeah.
Me say him that Connecticut. My mother schoolmate.
Oh, yeah, you want to see? Yesterday I used the name Jadi from Jungle. Tell me that they are Connecticut for sure.
Yeah, man. Let me not tell you, man. My mother go school together, you know.
Your mother come from Jonestown?
Yeah, man. Then Jonestown where come from, man. Then I between me and them thing, man. Then Spurline used to come away over Waterford, man.
Okay, so let me ask you. How old your mother is?
My mother would have been should have been. My mother would be 76, 70. This half. My mother would be 75 this year. My mother did 3 years now.
Damn. My mother and your mother are the same age and them growing in the same area. Yeah. Turnaballs and Doctor the man.
Yeah, Turnaball, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, me know her, yeah.
You see me? Them
So you used to live at Jonestown, sir?
11 Jellicoe Street, man.
Oh, okay. Me born at Axquid Street, and we used to live at Pensa Street, Maya Street. You know, big yard at Maya Street. Our family yard that in a big yard, which part Tony Spalding used to come on them thing there.
Way back in the days, my grandmother had owned the big yard at Orange Street. Riley, yeah. Yeah, the Dennis Brown did live in as a youth.
So when you left Jonestown?
We left Jonestown from about 17, you know. I'm going to live down 70, 71. I'm going to live down Denham Town, and from Denham Town to Cadbury Pen.
Oh, but you know say thing they do. You know say Willie Agat and Starkey. You know say Denham Town them come from though.
No, Willie Agat father come from Tel Aviv. Willie Agat come from Jonestown.
No, man.
Yeah, man. Listen up, Mr. Moore. A slaughter house is a more living up.
Yeah, man, but me I tell you, say, I
didn't go picnic with the barn at Jonestown for that man there.
No, man, no, man. Willie Agat and thing, man.
William Augustus Moore.
Yeah, man. But me I tell you, man, Starkey, man. Starkey come
from town.
And then I'm town, the two of them come.
No, listen up, don't do that. Me I tell you something about Starkey. Starkey come from Lizard Town originally. Starkey was the original Spangler.
They must labor right, man. The two of them in a labor right.
Starkey was the original Spangler. Don't make nobody tell you nothing.
I don't know, but alright, look here. Look,
Spangler history that. Elias the first man, same name Spangler. Starkey them live at Lizard Town. Starkey was the original Spangler. Spangler. He man Errol Shatter and Wonder Dread and Clarkson and Donkey Collar was the first man who said about Spangler from out of Regent Street because he inspired Regent Street man them. Anthony Tingle.
Well, me not ask you anything. I tell you, because my cousin and them, all of them was friend and them thing there. I tell you, say, then I'm telling them, man. Me know Willie Agat good enough, because Willie Agat and my cousin was friend. Bogle, Gerald Levy. You see, big yard me I tell about 51 Maya Street, in this Bogle barn. Me not ask you, I tell me. No, I tell me. But I tell me, I tell you, said them no come. It two of them no come from Jonestown. They was labor right. Piggy, you know Piggy. I don't know if you know one police name, Piggy Williams. Them man they are
Piggy.
Okay, and he used to bodyguard DK Duncan. Them man they are more PMP than Michael Manley.
I show you that. Me know Piggy.
Okay, Piggy know them good to one them thing. And Piggy knows say them was know say I run it. Cause them time Piggy in that Denham town.
Yeah,
you understand?
Do the research again. General Starkey come from Lizard Town.
Well, I tell you them thing. You know.
Well, just go do the research again. One thing I never do, call my father and call my auntie.
Yeah, you didn't know I'm police whether I didn't Tony and Vassian notice.
No, never know.
Okay. So you see, my father old on you, know, so you understand?
So me understand, but when I say me know, my auntie them grow with Starkey them in the whole of West. Because the whole of the West was like one, Denham Town people and Trench Town people and Rose Town people and way before Bakawal licked down. Anna Town people, you understand? Because Manchester Lane, a Western Kingston, Anna Town, a St. Andrew. Enough people don't know say Jubilee a St. Andrew. So
no man, Jubilee and a St. Andrew man. Jubilee a Kingston.
But do your maths again.
That's not maths, a geography, me I tell you that.
Just so me I tell you, Anatown, North Street at the dividing line.
Yes, but Jubilee, Victoria Jubilee is Kingston.
No, it's not. It's in St. Andrew. Anatown at St. Andrew. Denham Town at St. Andrew.
No, we're not talking about anything when you Kingston 1, Kingston 2 or St. Andrew. But we are talking about Kingston. Victoria Jubilee is Kingston, it's not St. Andrew.
No, it's not. Look on your map. I have an argument to win numerous times. Listen to what I tell you. Say.
Okay, so hold on. So
Anatown, they in a Jubilee, they're right next to Anatown.
No, no. So what you're saying then? You said the Jamaican government then is the children that were born at Jubilee, so them born at Kingston. Is like the government.
If you look by your birth certificate, good, you will see it. Me not ask you.
No man, my birth certificate say me born in a parish at St. Andrew. Alright,
which hospital?
Me not born in a hospital. You know me say at Jonestown me born at Oxford Street.
Okay, but let me tell you, say anyone we born at Jubilee, if you look on them birth certificate, it will say St. Andrew.
No sir. You're wrong, man. Hey, look here. Right now, me can't send even a copy of my brother, and my sister. Them.
Google it. That's all.
Me not for Google nothing. Me I tell you. Me not ask you. I tell you that for your facts. You want bet me because you have restaurant. Me bet a man 10 grand the other day. I can't even get him back for him pay me money when him realize. I want anything when me bet me not bet unless me know say me I win People born at Jubilee, pan them birth certificate is a Kingston. And the two letter it start with is AA. You understand? AA. Once a birth certificate start with the number AA, you're born in a parish at Kingston. So I don't know what you say.
Alright.
You understand? Me I tell you.
You know, so Jubilee in a St. Andrew.
No, you're wrong. You're wrong, man. You're wrong. You know,
that street is not the dividing line.
Me not talk about the dividing line and the border and them thing there. Me I talk about what is there in the record and them thing there. Anybody who born a Victoria Jubilee is Kingston you born. You know born on a St. Andrew. You understand?
Is it St. Andrew?
It's not in a... So that me I try to tell you. So you don't want to say the government are confuse the people them then. I tell them say them born a Kingston when a St. Andrew. Who would be more correct? The government or you? Nothing wrong if you have something preconceived in your head and them thing there and in a factual. You understand? When you come on to history and them thing there and geography and them thing there, me and man me hands on with that and them thing there. When you come on to Kingston and St. Andrew.
So where Kingston start and stop?
Well, Kingston I just the capital. Right there. I just the capital right downtown there. Tivoli and them place I don't know Kingston. A part of
west part of West Kingston that.
Yeah, well West Kingston and Kingston. The Kingston capital Kingston.
Oh, listen to me. Kingston is small and it's surrounded by St. Andrew. What I'm trying to tell you is, right, that Kingston is only 3 parts of Kingston. West Kingston, Central Kingston.
No, man. No. Them part there are Kingston, man. That are wider Kingston. That are part of Kingston metropolitan area. Because that St. Andrew, they are not Kingston. Kingston West is not Kingston. It's metropolitan area. It's adjoining.
There's no such thing as Kingston.
No, then Kingston is a parish. Kingston capital, Kingston.
But
Kingston West is not Kingston.
Geographical area makes up the Kingston itself.
Yes, Kingston West, Kingston East, Kingston Summon, it's St. Andrew South.
I know.
Yeah, it's St. Andrew South. So them have them different way how them label the area them.
Because of postal reasons. Yes,
you understand. Kingston is a small area, man. You understand? Look again, man. Victoria Jubilee. If I born a Victoria Jubilee, your birth certificate, I say, hey. All of my siblings them are Jubilee them born. Me are the only one that born a yard.
And it's a Kingston.
My birth certificate doesn't say nothing about Kingston.
No, me ask if your sibling them birth certificate.
Yes, man. Kingston, man, and a AA. You understand? So which one you born? Because if you born a town and them thing there, you don't know that your birth certificate just say AA. Because if you born a Jubilee, is AA. If you're not born a Jubilee, which part you born?
Kingston.
Which part of Kingston you born?
West Kingston.
No, you can't. So where your birth certificate? Where your birth certificate?
You say you born a St. Andrew. You born a Kingston.
No, man. Which part you born? Tell me the letter them on your birth certificate.
Orange Street, my born.
Me never ask you that. Me ask you what's the letter them on your birth certificate. What the letter them start with?
AA.
Alright.
I'm born in America.
You born in America?
Yeah, I grew up Jamaica. From me 6 months old.
I never know that.
But I'm born in West. I grew up West all my life.
So you born in America and grew up Jamaica?
All day long.
Alright, sir.
You never see nobody do that yet.
Yeah, man. Then the brother when him Chuck friend them the born up here, him the born in America and grew up Jamaica, man.
Yeah.
So I don't know nothing strange on them thing there. But you know, so the DJ, the artist when he Jesse then dead way, you know.
And me never know that.
Yeah, man, him dead last night at Bronx. But anyways, I joy talking to the man and them thing there, you understand?
Yeah, man, I'm there, I'm a family, respect.
Blessed love, man, cool, yeah.
All the time.
You want
as a number for my man.
Yeah, man, alright, me make Azan know same for, Azan listen to them thing there, you know, so me make him link me and so him get your number.
Man. Tell the Marlon, man.
Who else you want to heal up on them thing there?
Let me see, Azan, Peter.
You have to tell them which part, who
from Marlon, man.
Boy, you have to tell the people them who you heal up a yard and them thing there. And who to come from.
Tell them Marlon from Catburn Pen.
No, you have to tell them and me. Because them are hear you, you know, you have to tell them who you are heal up.
I just want to heal up Azan and the rest of the youth them from Cockburn Pen, man. So they might hear me now?
Yeah, man.
Youth them from Tonga Matches Lane and youth them at Whitfield Town. So it will get up. See me?
Oh, what them? So you have to tell them what them call you and them thing there. You know,
Marlon, everybody know me as Marlon, Sherry Marlon, Pedro Marlon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, from Cockburn Pen to Waterhouse.
Cool.
Big up a virgin who used to grow me from Waterhouse. Mr. Brown, him know himself, soldier. So me I say Early Brown.
Yeah.
See? And big up Dico Dread, not run a Craig Town. You see me? Definitely know how this Marlon. You see me? And the man them Johnny Matic from Matches Lane. And Bidia from you don't know.
Yeah, man. Alright, so it's a joy, man. So what to the people them at England? But you never did say you want to Kaipo, you want to heal him?
Big up Joe and Big Head Mickey man from Cockburn Pen and Pussface and
Pussface, that England, that England.
Joe, yeah. Alga Joe.
Yeah.
Definitely Alga Joe, my big brother.
Alright.
See me?
So you want Pussface link? Can your man call me the other day and say Pussface?
No, I have no link from Pussface, but I know if I want him, my virgin Joe can't find him.
Alright, so we make us and cause the man them are England and listen and them things. So we make them, you know, when them give me the number and them things, I pass it on to you. Alright?
Yeah. Alright, Dada.
Blessed, my brother. Cool. One love.
Right. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, so you know, we have come to the end of, you know, this conversation talking about name brand police officer, and we have conversation about, you know, typical Jamaican thing. And the scholar, you know, is as you heard, you know, say that you want to give a shout out to some people in Jamaica, you know. Men like Azan and him want to heal the people in Cockburn Pen. And yes, and we had forgot to tell you that yes, you know, you're going to hear about Honey Brown, you know, Honey from Cockburn Pen. The man that was, you know, I can't, you know, Badman. I see me and them thing there, although I know them and know Honey and them thing there. We don't really celebrate people like Honey them and them thing there, you understand? Because although it was a part of the culture, looking back at it and them thing there, you know, people who are bad men, like Spurline who live in Connecticut now and others. When I see them as bad men, you know, we see them as people who violate other people's human rights, you understand? But in a community, them say them are bad man and them have them place, and that's how it is. But I hope you enjoy the program. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.